Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on a communication trace file, as this is one of the first steps in troubleshooting when you're having some odd issues. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to head to the bottom left corner where the plumb bob icon is. I'm going to open up my settings menu and then options, and within my options menu here I'm going to scroll to the bottom where it says system, open this drop down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the communication trace file checkbox. Once I check that and hit OK, it's going to begin kind of recording a little more detail than what is in the raw file for how your receiver or your instrument is talking to FieldGenius, and a bunch of other parameters that you can then send off to whomever you're getting support from to get a little bit more detail on what is happening. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you enable a communication trace file within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.